Bikepacking adventures, whether a quick overnighter or a weekend escape, offer incredible experiences without breaking the bank or requiring extensive planning. They're perfect for testing your gear and endurance while staying close to home. In this video, we'll dive into 13 ultimate bikepacking essentials that'll elevate your next trip, from must-have tools to lightweight camping gear. Let's gear up and get ready to ride. First on the list is a piece of equipment that's non-negotiable: your helmet. Meet the Rowan helmet. Built for the thrill seekers who crave those challenging trails. It's got a sleek, contour design, but it's not just about looks. With 14 strategically placed vents, this helmet ensures optimal airflow, keeping your head cool even when the ride heats up. Inside, you've got moisture-wicking pads that keep sweat at bay, so no more discomfort on those long rides. You can easily remove the padding, wash by hand, and air dry to keep it fresh and ready for your next adventure. And for that perfect fit, Rowan's got you covered with adjustable nylon straps and the ergonomic dial. Just twist it until it feels snug and secure. For your next bikepacking trip, you can have the Rowan helmet on your checklist. It's got the perfect balance of comfort, protection, and style. While on a bikepacking trip, a good navigating device helps you to plan the route more efficiently and enhances your exploration of new territory. With a Wahoo Element Roam. It's a powerful and accurate GPS bike computer that is designed to make any bike ride into an adventure. This device is equipped with dual-band GPS technology, which delivers advanced accuracy and reliable on-device smart navigation features. The best pro of this cycling computer is its crystal-clear 2.7-inch, 64-color display that provides clear and easy-to-read navigation and performance metrics, even in direct sunlight. Thus, you'll be able to easily monitor your speed, distance, time, and other performance metrics while on your ride. Let's start with something that might not be the flashiest piece of gear, but it could be a game changer on your next camping trip. The Sea to Summit Aeros Premium Deluxe Pillow. This isn't your average camp pillow. It's lightweight, luxurious, and packs down small enough to disappear into your gear bag. With a soft 50 denier polyester outer fabric and a durable TPU air bladder, it offers the right mix of comfort and support. The synthetic fill inside isn't just for extra padding. It also wicks away moisture, keeping you dry all night. The three-way mini valve is a clever design, giving you control over inflation, pressure adjustment, and rapid deflation. Plus, the curved stability baffles and scalloped bottom edge cradle your head and shoulders perfectly. Available in various sizes, the deluxe version weighs just 195 grams and packs down into a compact stuff sack, making it incredibly easy to transport. Introducing the world's first vacuum-insulated cycling bottle, the Travel Cup Cycling Bottle. This innovative bottle is designed to keep your drinks cold for up to 12 hours and warm for up to 8 hours, ensuring you stay hydrated and comfortable throughout your journey. With its sleek stainless steel construction and vacuum insulation, the Travel Cup is built to last. Plus, it's compatible with most standard bottle cages, so it is easy to integrate into your bikepacking setup. It comes with two lid configurations, which are straw lid and zip lid. The straw lid lets you sip without having to tilt your head, which is great for keeping your eyes on the road or trail. And for those chilly mornings, the zip lid is perfect for enjoying warm beverages. If you're looking for perky backpacking gear to keep you hydrated and comfortable on your next adventure, the Travel Cup bottle can be the perfect solution. A multi-day bikepacking trip will usually require some slight servicing of your bike. This is why Topeak designed this Alien S multi-tool. Well, it's a limited edition tool, equipped with 31 professional quality stainless steel functions that are perfect for tackling any bike maintenance or repair job. Featuring the innovative Alien technology, this tool can separate into two pieces for greater versatility when making repairs. And with a smooth, machine profile that's comfortable to use, you can keep working on your bike for hours on end. But that's not all. This multi-tool also includes a snap-out disc brake spacer that prevents pad compression and a durable carry bag to keep it organized and easy to transport. There are 8 ultimate bikepacking gear on the list. Before getting into the next one, take a second and hit the subscribe button to get the update on our next video. Thank you so much. When it comes to outdoor gear, lightweight and reliable are the name of the game, and the Wildwind Star X3 portable backpacking stove is all about delivering just that. If you're into hiking, cycling, or any kind of adventure where every ounce counts, this stove might be your new best friend. What sets the Star X3 apart is its nested windproof design paired with advanced heat exchange technology. This means it can boil 0.5 liters of water in just about 2.5 minutes, even in extreme conditions. Whether you're cooking at high altitudes or in freezing temps, it's got your back. The burner features a push-button igniter and an optimized simmer regulator, giving you precise control over your cooking. Plus, it's built tough with an anodized aluminum pot body and a removable heat-proof cloth. And when you're done, it packs down easily, ready for your next adventure. For outdoor cooking, we got the Jetboil Genesis Basecamp system, a compact and efficient stove that packs down into its carrying case, making it easy to transport on your bike. It includes a regulated stove, a 5-liter flux pot, and a frying pan, providing everything you need to cook up a delicious meal in the wilderness. Genesis Basecamp's most notable characteristic is its dual-burner design. It allows you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously, saving you time and effort. Also, its precise flame control makes it easy to simmer or boil water for your meals. The build quality is top-notch, so you can count on these components to hold up well over time. It's easy to pack away. Simply fold it up and stow it in its carrying case. It's the perfect companion for any bikepacking adventure. So, if you're looking for a reliable cooking system to take on your next bikepacking trip, the Jetboil Genesis Basecamp is a good choice. Well, a frame bag allows bikers to carry more gear without affecting the handling of the bike. That's where the Ortlieb Frame Pack RC comes in. It simply keeps you well prepared and stress-free throughout the whole bikepacking journey. This bag comes with waterproof roll closure, which is closed by 3 silicone rings. No matter how unpredictable the weather gets, you can rest assured that your gear will remain safe and dry. It's the ultimate solution for storing heavy luggage, such as tools or food, centrally on your bike. The Ortlieb bag has a large opening that allows for easy access and easy packing of the bag. It's also incredibly easy to install, thanks to its strong and robust Velcro fasteners. However, the Frame Pack RC comes in 2 sizes, 4 and 6 liters, so you can choose the perfect size to fit your needs. Are you ready for your next bikepacking trip? A high-quality bike light is a must-have. The Phoenix BC25R is designed with city riders in mind, offering exceptional performance and safety features. This lightweight powerhouse features an innovative cut-off facula line to ensure you don't blind oncoming traffic, perfect for city commutes. Powered by a neutral white Cree XP G3 LED, the light delivers up to 600 lumens with a beam that reaches 348 feet. Its built-in 2,600 mAh Li-ion battery is micro USB rechargeable, and the battery level indicator keeps you informed. With a robust all-metal heat-dissipating structure and IP66 rating, it's built to last in all weather. One switch controls everything. Toggle between 4 brightness levels, or switch to flash mode with a double click. The quick-release mount makes it easy to attach and detach, and it can even double as a flashlight. Whether you're commuting or exploring, the BC25R ensures you're well-lit and visible. Next, let's talk about rack bags, and a good option for bikepacking is the Rock Brothers Rack Bag. It is made from carbon composite leather, so it's very durable. Plus, it's a waterproof bag, perfect for storing everything you need for your trip. It's built to withstand any weather condition and keep your gear dry, even in rainy conditions. It has a large capacity of 34 liters, which can be expanded even further with its foldable design. Plus, it comes with 2 shoulder straps, allowing you to use it as a messenger bag for added convenience. Inside, you've got plenty of compartments to keep your gear organized. There's a padded interior that reduces shock and keeps your items safe, plus a detachable partition for added flexibility. Whether you're carrying a bike lock, charger, or even a small drone, this bag can handle it all. Also, it has 2 external pockets for quick access to your essentials and multiple internal compartments to keep everything organized. Plus, it's easy to install on your bike rack using the included straps. Rock Brothers Bike Rack Bag is an ideal solution for carrying all your gear on your bikepacking journey. Forget the wrong side, wake up on the high side. The high side's pre-bent poles and distinct build provide a maximum amount of space and minimum amount of weight, perfect for the solo adventurer. Extend the awning and you'll be living large. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to carry, but don't be fooled, it provides a maximum amount of space for your comfort, thanks to its pre-bent poles and unique tunnel-style build. You can even extend the awning for extra storage or ventilation, perfect for those hot, muggy nights. Its 12-inch pole sections pack neatly between your bike handlebars or backpack frames, so you can keep moving at the perfect pace. And with its solo simplicity, you'll be free to focus on the journey ahead, instead of struggling with complicated gear. Tired of juggling multiple tools for tubeless tire repairs? Meet the Dynaplug Air, truly the ultimate solution for on-the-go repairs. This is no ordinary repair kit. It lets you plug your punctured bike and pump it up with CO2 simultaneously. Just insert the repair nozzle into the puncture, open the regulated air valve to your desired pressure, and you're done. The plug holds air and seals the puncture all at once. And there's more. It comes with a Presta valve core remover built right into the cap, making it the ultimate all-in-one repair tool. Plus, it includes an air hose for extra CO2, or as an inflator. Lightweight, efficient, and versatile, the Dynaplug Air is a game-changing addition to your bike repair kit, ensuring you're ready to roll no matter what. Traveling with your bike exposes it to all kinds of conditions like rain, dust, dirt, and more. Without a cover, these conditions can damage your bike's parts. To keep your bike and gear safe, the Pro Bike Tool Bicycle Cover is a great choice. The cover is crafted from Ripstop 300D Oxford fabric, which is incredibly strong and durable, designed to withstand even the harshest weather conditions. It's waterproof and anti-UV with double stitching and heat-sealed TPU seams, which ensures top-class protection from rain, snow, and sun. For security, the cover includes a front lock-hole design. This allows you to use cable, chain, or use /D locks to secure your bike. The adjustable buckle strap and toggle wheel/tire fit ensure a snug and secure fit, even on windy days. The Pro Bike Tool Bicycle Cover is a nice choice for keeping your bike protected, whether it's parked outside or stored indoors in your garage. And there you have it, folks. Gear that keeps you comfortable and safe on the trail, while also improving your bike packing experience. Whether you're tackling rugged trails or cruising through scenic routes, having reliable gear can turn a good trip into a great one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with fellow adventurers.